Hey, Rick Holcomb here. I want to let you know how excited I am because David Regal has released a deluxe set of his color-changing knives. Now, a few years back, I picked up the original set, made a review of those, and put it on YouTube. And it was an overwhelmingly positive review because that's a great set of knives. They were custom made with the right weight, the right size, and he even removed one of the bolsters so there was the most color possible on that knife. So that the transformations were as visual as you can imagine. The trouble was that set sold out. And to this day, I still get the occasional email from someone who's seen that review and they ask me, hey Rick, do you happen to know if David's making those knives again or where I could find them? And I'd always have to say, I don't know. So the good news is he has re-released those knives. So you get the original set plus 2 other knives. Now you get a solid red knife, red on both sides. So now you can finish clean depending on the routine you're doing. You change that knife to red. Now you can hand it out. The other knife is all white on one side. The other side is 1/3 white, 2/3 black. So you can do that really visual in your face change where you're rubbing the color away. So I'm so excited to have these. I'm still using the original set because it's so well made. It's still kicking. Now I have a backup set for those and the 2 additional knives, which are going to open up so many more ideas for the color changing knives. So whether you're totally new to color changing knives or if you missed out on that first set, I highly recommend you pick up this new deluxe set because I'm sure this is going to sell out as well. So go check it out.